Do you like getting caught in the rain or making love at midnight? Well, if you've answered yes for both of those, then you're going to love the cocktail, the Pina Colada. The Pina Colada is probably one of the biggest selling cocktails whilst on holidays. I'm going to show you how to make it at home today. And we're going to start first off with some white rum. Today we're going to use Nusa Kana. It's a tropical rum made in Bali, and it's 60 mils. Next up, for my coconut element, I like using some Monin coconut syrup. If you don't have this, it is available all over the world. You can use a coconut cream, but I find that the Monin really accentuates that flavour. It tastes amazing. I also like to add a little bit of fresh lime juice, about 15 mils. Now, this isn't the original recipe. This is the recipe that I enjoy, so you can always tweak it to your taste. Next ingredient I'm going to use is about 60 mils of pineapple juice, and topped off with just a little bit of cream, around 10 mils. Some ice, and a really good shake. We are going to strain this into a chilled glass with some ice. And for the garnish, I like to just get some pineapple leaves and cut them into a shape like that. And just in case you do get caught out in the rain, we're going to have a little umbrella as well. Super simple, guys. That is the Pina Colada. Please subscribe, like, comment. Let us know if there is a cocktail that you like and you would like me to do a video. And until then, we'll see you next time.